Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over the RCM Prep A clapback examples. I'm going to answer them as if I were in class, taking this as a quiz. Okay, here we go.
One.
All right, first example
Two,
looks like we're in D
three,
major, starting
4,
on
1,
me.
2, ready, go.
All right, we ended on Do.
Second time.
Zoom that in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go.
We just climbed the scale, Mi, Fa, So, and leaped down to Do at the end.
1, 2,
Okay, F major, starting on
3,
Do.
here I go.
Started and ended on Do. I think we went up a fifth.
Second time.
Up to Sol.
1, 2,
Pencil it in, I can always change it.
3, here I go.
Yeah.
Do, so, fa, do.
Okay, looks like we're in C
1,
major and we're starting
2,
on Do.
3, here I go.
Oh, we got our apples in there. We started and ended on the same note.
Second time. 1, 2, 3,
We went up to
here
Fa.
I go. Re, mi, do. 1, 2,
Okay,
3,
we're in G major,
4,
starting on Mi.
1, 2, ready, go.
Okay, we ended on Do. I think we came from Mi.
Second time. 1, 2, 3,
It was a half note.
4, 1, 2, ready, go.
Mi, Do, Re, Mi, Do. Not bad.